To ensure accurate results, we need to test the instrument's performance over time. For this reason, routine testing of the weighing unit, the heating unit, and the overall instrument should be done frequently by the customer. It is also important to keep the instrument in perfect condition throughout its life cycle. On-site service supports you in this with maintenance, support, and if necessary, a repair of the instrument.
A moisture analyzer can be tested in 3 ways, and each test is relevant. Test of balance, heating unit, and overall instrument test. For every performance test, there is a specific equipment available, and depending on the moisture analyzer type, the procedure is automated, simpler, faster, and documented. If the instrument needs a repair or you want to be sure to have a well-working instrument for years to come, we support and service your measurement equipment through its entire life cycle, from installation through calibration, preventive maintenance, and repair.
If you want to know more about our instruments, routine testing or service, please contact us.